Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to use a FX99ES Plus calculator to find out the roots of equation. We are going to find out the roots of equation for linear as well as transcendental equation. Let's take example of a linear equation. The equation which I am going to use is x raised to 4 minus 28 equal to 0. From that we need to find the value of x for fx equal to 0. So for that, first of all, type the equation by pressing alpha. I'm going to use x as an alphabet, raised to 4, next minus 2x. What we need to do, we need to type fx, that is x raised to 4 minus 28. Then we need to have a button shift equal to and again equal to. Just wait for a while, it will show you an answer of x, that is x equal to 2.00326634. Let's take an example of a transcendental equation. I am going to use a transcendental equation as e raised to x minus 5x equal to 0. The f of x is e raised to x minus 5x equal to 0. Let's type e raised to x five into x. So this will be your equation. Again you need to have shift, calculate and equal to. Wait for a while, the calculator is going to calculate answer for you. The answer is x equal to 2.54264135. Hence we can use the calculator for predicting a value at an initial stage. Thank you for watching video.